In this video, I'll explain how you can deposit a check on Bank of America. So if you want to deposit a check on Bank of America, we will need the mobile banking app. So if you have already installed the mobile banking app of Bank of America here, we'll need to open up the application and then use our fingerprint to securely log in. After we have done this, we'll need to select deposit checks, and we will have to sign the back of the check and write for deposit only at Bank of America. Now, after we have done this, we will take photos of the front and back of the check with our smartphone and just select the front of check and back of check buttons so they match. Now, after we have done this, we'll need to select the account to receive the deposit, and we'll need to enter the amount and then tap on next. If we have successfully done all of this, we can confirm the details and we can click on submit, which will deposit the Bank of America check into the account which we have selected. I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub if it was, and I'll see you next time.